Hi, me again. I'm so sorry. This is what I get for recording videos on a Friday. I forgot to mention that last week I sent home, or this past week, I sent home picture packets from the time when we did spring pictures at school with the students. They turned out super cute, but I just wanted to kind of explain how these packets work because it's a little bit different than other styles of ordering pictures. What you received were prints, actual prints of the pictures that were taken. So what the company would like us to do is to have you decide if there are any pages from that packet that you wish to keep. If so, you pay for the pictures, like it's priced per page. So if you decide to keep some of those pictures, then you send the order form and the money back to school in replace of those pictures. If you do not wish to keep the whole packet, anything that you don't want, you return to school. So like this one, for example, has the order form inside of it. They kept a couple pages out of there, but the rest of them they sent back. If you don't wish to keep any of the order forms or any of the packet, then you just put a little sticky note on there that says no thanks. So I know that you don't want anything inside that packet, and I will return it to the company. Hopefully we can get these returned. My goal is by the end of the week, so please kind of put that on your priority list this weekend to look through and see if there's anything you want to keep, anything you want to send to family, and return that to me. That's everything I've got for now, I think. If not, I will send you another video next week. But have a great weekend, everybody, and I will see you on Tuesday.